In 2023, the tech world was handed what felt like a death prophecy. Everywhere you looked, experts were saying the same thing. AI was about to replace most software developers, and it would happen fast. We were promised digital coworkers that never slept, never argued, and never made mistakes. And then the layoffs started. By the end of 2024, more than 150,000 tech workers were gone. Early 2025 made it worse, with giants like Amazon and Intel cutting tens of thousands more jobs, all in the name of becoming AI first. Now it's 2026, and something awkward has happened. Those miracle AI tools are being quietly pushed into the background. Almost every tech company has AI running somewhere in their systems, but most of them didn't actually replace people. In fact, many ended up hiring more. The problem is that AI is terrible at remembering how complex systems fit together over time, and the cost of that forgetfulness is finally showing up. The original story was simple. Machines would write all the code. Even Google admitted that a big chunk of its code was AI generated. But when researchers looked at what actually happened, the results were ugly. Billions of dollars were poured into AI projects, yet almost all of them failed to deliver real financial value. Most companies saw no meaningful improvement at all. One big reason is something developers now call vibe coding. You describe what you want, the AI spits out code, and during a demo it feels like magic. But under the surface, that code is shallow. It repeats itself, skips structure, and lacks the invisible glue that keeps large systems stable. AI can help beginners finish small tasks faster, but over time it makes the software harder to understand, harder to fix, and harder to maintain. This has led to what might be the most expensive mistake tech has ever made. The world is drowning in technical debt. AI tends to copy and paste instead of designing clean, reusable logic, creating massive piles of code that technically work, but that no one truly understands. Engineers call this the slop layer. When it breaks, nobody knows why, and nobody knows how to fix it. Companies thought they were saving money, but they were really taking out a massive high-interest loan on their future. Security made things even worse. Nearly half of AI-generated code contains serious vulnerabilities. Experienced engineers report that using AI often slows them down because they spend hours every week correcting confident-sounding mistakes. The code looks right, but it's full of hidden traps. We're not moving faster, we're just postponing the work and making it more expensive later. But the real damage isn't just in the code, it's in people. Companies assumed AI could replace junior developers, so entry-level hiring collapsed. That broke the talent pipeline. If you don't train juniors today, you don't have seniors tomorrow. At the same time, juniors lost the chance to learn by doing the basics, because the AI now handles those tasks and throws them straight into complexity. Meanwhile, employers realized something else. They finally had leverage again. With so many developers laid off, salaries started slipping. Companies began using AI as a negotiating weapon, claiming machines were doing half the work, even when they weren't. It's mostly a bluff, but it's been working. Then came the scandals. One major AI company was exposed for secretly using hundreds of human workers to fake automation. When the money ran out, the AI vanished. Even real AI systems failed dramatically, like the infamous incident where an AI assistant wiped an entire production system in seconds after misreading a command. The apology didn't bring back the data. AI doesn't take responsibility. So here's the truth in 2026. AI didn't replace developers. It replaced the illusion that software development is easy. The companies doing well today aren't prompting their way to success. They're investing in human judgment, experience, and accountability. Free AI code turns out to be the most expensive debt you can take on. And while the market feels rough right now, the same companies suppressing wages today will eventually need humans to clean up the mess AI can't fix.